Hi, in this episode I'm going to be showing you how to remove an Alfa 159 door card. It's pretty much the same for either side, front or rear. There's just a few differences in locations of the nuts and bolts. So I'm going to get the door card off. You don't need many tools. You need a flat-headed screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver and some Allen keys and a 10mm ratchet. So let's get going. I'll just point out some of the locations of the screws. You normally have a cover on here hiding an Allen bolt. You have a Allen bolt underneath here. I don't remember if it's one or two. Once you remove this, there's two more, I think 10mm or Allen bolts behind here, pointing into the door. There are two Phillips screws. There's one here, and one here. So there's three screws to undo under here. There's nothing holding the speaker cover on. That is actually welded to the door card, if I remember rightly. And that is all you need to get the door card off. So it shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Just prise this up with a little flat-headed screwdriver. There is just one Allen head in here, so get that one undone. Electrical tab on the back, push it down, fold it back, out it comes. Okay, two more are in here, just one there and one there. Okay, now everything's out the door card that needs to be removed. You can either use a pry bar to get behind the corner down here and pry it forwards, but I find normally just a good tug with the old hands and out everything comes. Now to remove it from the top, lift it up and off it should come. You may have some window connections depending on what spec you've got. They just unclip. And then on the back you have got the door handle, which just pulls out like so. Okay, now to refit, you need to put the door handle back in first. That'll just slot through the hole and then slot into place like so. Rest the door card on top there. On the back of the door card you will have some studs which push into the holes. You just need to line those up and just tap the door card all the way around the edges, and just make sure that you plug your light in as well underneath there. The door card's coming back off again because this is a scrap car, so I'm not going to put all the bolts in. They're easy enough, I've told you where they are. Pop those back in and that's it, job done.